Hello. Today we are going to look at a custom visual prepared by MAQ software, specifically for exporting data from a Power BI report into PowerPoint or Excel. This solution opens up options that maximize the data and visuals you've prepared in Power BI. You can pull together a dynamic presentation by exporting from Power BI to PowerPoint. You can dive into your data from a different angle, by retrieving Power BI report snapshot data, exporting to Excel, and performing additional computations. You can give your audience with the ability to dig into the data themselves by providing them with visuals in Excel. There are many ways our custom visual could help you make the most of Power BI. Let's see how it works. Import the export visual on the report. Once you have imported the custom visual into Power BI, provide it with the following parameters. API URL for service call. Change the default image, if required. Add loading icon, if required. Provide additional parameters to send to the service, if required. Now, select all the data you require, and add all the filters that you need. That's it. You're all set to export the visual. In one click, you will obtain all the required data in PowerPoint format. You can see that the visual is sending only the filtered data for the service call. We can export to Excel using the same steps. Let's check that as well. Select all required filters, and click on the visual. Your visual will download in Excel format. Thanks for watching our video. If you have any questions about this visual, or need a similar business solution, feel free to contact MAQ Software at sales@maqsoftware.com.
August 29, 2018 update. New solution for exporting Power BI visuals to PowerPoint. Our new Power BI Export to PPT solution allows users to export images of the visuals from Power BI reports directly to Microsoft PowerPoint, quickly creating slide decks with the latest data. New features in Power BI Export to PPT. Export visuals from multiple reports and workspaces including My Workspace. Export certified and non-certified custom visuals, including our visuals. Support for custom Microsoft PowerPoint templates, including custom headers and footers. Selected Power BI visuals are exported as high-resolution images in Microsoft PowerPoint. To learn more about Power BI Export to PPT and view a demonstration video, visit https://maqsoftware.com/expertise/Power BI Export to PPT. A link is in the description.